This is Sunu Philip here. Welcome to week 3 of 4 weeks to sell online blog challenge. In this video, I am going to share with you what I did with this week's challenge. In this week, we had to continue working on the product creation as well as complete few other things. So that include deciding where we will be selling the product, creating the graphics for the product, then set up the sales page for the new product, then set up the payment process from the sales page, then set up the product delivery method, and finally arrange for the withdrawal funds. So these are small steps, but we have a few that need to be completed. The first, I decided where I'm going to sell the product. I decided it to be on Amazon. So actually I'll be having a sales page on my website where I'll be letting my visitors know where you will be getting it, giving more details about the product, testimonials, etc. And I will be directing them to the Amazon listing page. So in effect, there will be actually two sales pages. Okay, so keep in mind, when you have an online marketplace, you're selling through an online marketplace, that is a possibility. Then so that was the first step. Second step is to decide or create the graphic for the product. So for me it's an ebook, so I went ahead and created a graphic, the ebook cover. So this is a tentative image. It might change as I get new ideas. So this is a graphic that I decided on as of now. Then I went ahead and started working on the sales page. There are a few other things I need to get it completely done, especially like testimonials, reviews, etc. Other than that, I went ahead and created the sales page. So if you have access to the e-course, you have a special video on sales page, important elements of a sales page. So with that knowledge, you will be able to create a killer sales page for your new product. So this is my sales page, my picture about what problems I will be solving through this ebook, who am I targeting, and some graphics, all those things are shown here. So this is a glimpse of my sales page. Then the payment process, delivery and withdrawal of funds. Because I am going with Amazon, the Amazon will be handling the payment process. So I'll be just I just need to list a page, add all the details, and they will take care of everything else. And so I'll be paid the royalty that I agreed upon while listing the ebook there. So that is the first thing, payment process. Then the product delivery will be handled by Amazon. So if it is an online marketplace for digital products, they will handle the product delivery. If it is a physical product, you might need to handle the product delivery, shipment, etc. So please work on that. Then the withdrawal of funds. So when I created the account over there in Amazon for listing my last ebook, I had linked my local bank account to Amazon and also verified my tax details. So whenever the funds get accumulated in my Amazon account, it will be, after a set period of time, it's set by Amazon, it will be transferred or it will be credited to my bank account. So again, one threshold has to be reached for the transfer to occur. So these are the details for my payment process, product delivery and withdrawal of funds. It might vary according to where you are going to sell your product. So work on that and complete these small steps. So this is a challenge for week 3, and we'll see in week 4 with that week's challenge. So thank you, take care.